I'm so lucky to be a host this morning.
And we both are so happy to welcome you to this special program where we celebrate India's 78th Independence Day. Today is a very important day. On this day in 1947, India became a free country.
We are no under British rule. We could make our own rules and live in peace. Many freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Rani Lakshmi Bai have bravely fought for this freedom.
We remember them today and say a big thank you to them from our heart. Without them, we would not be living here in a free and a happy country. So let's celebrate India with all our heart with song, dance, and performance to show our love towards our country.
We begin our celebration. Let's light the ceremonial lamp, a symbol of knowledge, peace, and positivity. We warmly invite our esteemed dignitaries on stage to light the lamp and mark the beginning of the special Independence Day celebration.
अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरि.
Now, to invoke divine blessings, let us begin with a graceful invocation dance by Sinchana. Her performance is tribute to the spirit of India, full of devotion, culture, and light.
ನಾಟ್ಯ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜನಿಗೆ ವಿಘ್ನ ನಿವಾರಕಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನಾಯಕಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮಾಂಜಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ಯ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜನಿಗೆ ವಿಘ್ನ ನಿವಾರಕಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನಾಯಕಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮಾಂಜಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ. ನಾಟ್ಯ ಗಣಪತಿಗೆ ರವಿಕೋಟಿ ತೇಜನಿಗೆ ವಿಘ್ನ ನಿವಾರಕಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿನಾಯಕಗೆ ಪ್ರಥಮಾಂಜಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪುಷ್ಪಾಂಜಲಿ.
Let us now invite our respected founder, Brinda ma'am, and dignitaries to hoist our national flag. When the flag is hoisted, let's stand in attention and sing the national anthem, Jana Gana Mana proudly.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
That was such a proud moment when I see our flag flying in the air. I feel like saluting over and over again. The three colors of our national flag, saffron, white, and green, remind us of courage, peace, and growth. On this proud Today, as we celebrate the spirit of freedom, let us now invite our respected Principal Ranita ma'am to share a few inspiring words.
Namaskar everyone and Jai Hind. Today as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation with the theme Honoring Freedom, Inspiring the Future, we are reminded not just of the sacrifices that won us freedom, but of the responsibility we carry to shape that future. India stands at a pivotal moment in history. The world around us is changing rapidly. We face external pressures, rising tariffs, shifting alliances, geopolitical tensions. Internally, we grapple with unemployment, inflation, and energy dependence. Climate change threatens us, farms and cities, while digital vulnerabilities challenge our privacy and security. But let me be clear, these challenges do not define us. What defines India is our resilience. We are a nation of over 1.4 billion people with more than 65% under the age of 35. That's not just a statistic, it is a force. A force of innovation, energy, and ambition. From Bengaluru's tech corridors to ISRO's launch pads, from our farmers' fields to our classrooms, India is rising. We are the world's software powerhouse. Our startups are solving global problems. Our scientists are exploring space. Our professionals are leading global companies. And our rich cultural heritage, from yoga to Bollywood, continues to inspire the world. But there's one strength that outshines them all: our unity in diversity. India is a tapestry of languages, religions, cultures, and traditions. Yet, we move forward as one. This unity is not uniformity, it's harmony. It's the ability to disagree, yet stand together, to celebrate differences, yet share a common dream. Unity in India does not mean uniformity. It means harmony. It means the ability to hold different beliefs, yet walk together. To debate fiercely, yet dine together. To celebrate Eid, Diwali, Christmas, and Baisakhi with equal enthusiasm. We may disagree on politics, on ideology, on language, but when the moment calls, we rise as one. Whether it's cheering for Team India, standing in solidarity during a crisis, or celebrating a national achievement, our unity shines brightest in moments of collective pride and purpose. What binds us is not just geography, it's a shared dream. A dream of progress, of peace, of prosperity. A dream where every child, regardless of caste or creed, can aspire to greatness. Where every citizen feels seen, heard, and valued. This unity is not passive, it is active. It is built every day in our classrooms, our workplaces, our homes. It is nurtured through dialogue, through respect, through the simple act of listening. In a world increasingly fractured by identity and ideology, India stands as a beacon. We show that it is possible to be many things at once, many voices, many beliefs, many dreams, and still be one people. Our unity in diversity is not a slogan, it is a lived reality. It is the soul of India. So on this 79th Independence Day, remember, you are the future and you will make a difference. Together, we stand united. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Renita ma'am, for this inspiring speech. Let's begin this program with an energetic dance. Here comes 5A with a powerful dance to Onde Matram, the fighter anthem. This song was composed by V. Hari Krishna and sung by Vijaya Prakash. It is from a Kannada movie, Varattanayaka. Vande Matram means one motherland and shows that we all are united as Indians. This dance is full of strong moves and great expressions. Let's cheer loudly for 5A.
जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन भी सलामी दे। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले, आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। ना ही ज़मीन आसमानों में, ना ही मुमकिन है दो जहानों में, जज्बे इरादे और ये जुनून बनते हैं दिल के कारखानों में। पहुंच गए अंबर से आगे, धरती से फिर भी बंधे हैं धागे, रहते वतन की मिट्टी से जुड़ के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, हर बाजी फिर बस में है, जिद ठान के हिंदुस्तान बोले। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
Time for an energetic drum performance by Class 6B. They will be performing to Azadi from the movie Amran. It was sung by Anand Sriraj. It talks about the unity and strength among our soldiers. So let us imagine our brave jawans marching shoulder to shoulder to protect our country.
Now it's time to turn up the music and fill the stage with color, joy, and energy. Coming up is an exciting dance mainly by our youngest superstars, Class 1C. They're going to perform 3 amazing songs: Jai Ho, India Wala, and Sabse Aage Hindustani. These songs tell us something special, that we proud Indians full of strength, unity, and love for our country. Even though they are small, their hearts are full of big dreams for India. Watch closely as they twirl, jump, and dance with joy, because India is always fresh in our hearts. Please give a big round of applause for Vansi and the fabulous performance. Jai Hind!
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है, ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Get ready to travel back in time to meet a great freedom fighter. Class 5D is going to present a short play that shows the strength and courage of Bhagat Singh. He was young and full of love for India and was ready to fight for it. He believed that even young people can make a big difference. Now, get ready to watch and learn his story brought to life by Class 5D. Yes, the Rolex Act is a black law. We are not criminals. We are the citizens of India. They jail us without proof. They silence our leader. This is not justice. This is a slavery. Yes, we are not their servants. They treat us with cruelty and call it kindness. Their empire is built on our tears and blood. Yes, we have to stop this act. Why no? When no? We want freedom, not fear. Illegal, huh? Your empire is illegal, Namarite. You can beat us, but cannot break our spirit. You can fight our bodies with your faith, but not our mind. What's happening? You people think you can defeat the empire with your sticks and slogans? We will crush your rebellion! Gods, beat them! In 1919, the British passed a new law called the Rowlatt Act. This act allowed them to arrest anyone without a trial. People could be jailed just for raising their voice, even if they were innocent. Indians were shocked and angry. They took to the streets and protested all over the country. In the land of freedom is not given. It is earned with courage, and we have plenty of it. In the land of Punjab, there was already a fire rising in a little boy's heart. His name was Inkilab Zindabad Bhagat Singh. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh and his mother's Mata Vidyavati. Their family were known for their love for the nation. Even before he was born, his father and uncles were freedom fighters too. It was that patriotism ran in his blood. Papa, can you catch me? I will definitely catch you. Then catch me, catch me. Vande Mataram! Freedom! Vande Mataram! Freedom! Vande Mataram! Freedom! Papa, why are they shouting Vande Mataram? Why are they angry? And moreover, they saying freedom. What is freedom? But the British don't allow that, right? But that is wrong. How can someone else take over us in our own home?
Beta, our country is not free. Defeat our people. To silence our voice. Many great leaders are fighting. Now go there with your toys.
Papa, I don't want toys. I want to grow strong. And one day, I'll make Mother India free.
Shabash, Beta. Let's go.
One year later, Bhagat Singh witnessed something horrifying.
Dear all,
We have to convince the British government to provide basic needs for our country.
Yes, yes, of course.
General Dyer ordered soldiers to fire unarmed men, women and children in Jallianwala Bagh. Over 2,000 people died. Come on, let's go. So many innocent lives. People came with hope, but they were met with bullets. Even children are not safe in this land now. Is this what the British call justice? Is this what the British call civilization? If they can shoot unarmed people without shame, then I must give up my childhood and become a soldier of freedom.
Bhagat Singh grew up and joined other young revolutionaries.
He believed freedom is not begged for, it is fought for.
In 1927, the British government brought the Simon Commission into India, but there was not a single Indian member in it.
People were across in India and were angry. They saw it as an insult to Indian self-respect.
Then, our great freedom fighter, led a peaceful protest, protesting all across Lahore.
Simon Commission! Go! Simon Commission! Go! Simon Commission, go back! India deserves its own voice and we will not be ruled like slaves. Simon Commission! Go back! 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 Lala Rajpat Rai died from his injuries a few days later. His death shook the country and especially the young revolutionary Bhagat Singh. They killed Lala Ji for protesting peacefully?
Yes, Bhagat, we cannot stay silent. His blood cries for justice.
Yes, then let's target the man who ordered the beating.
His name is James Scott. Inkilab Zindabad! Inkilab Zindabad!
Is that James Scott?
Yes, it must be him.
Shoot! Oh no! We made a mistake. This is not James Scott. Let's run! Run! Ma, you came. Ma, I am not dying, but I am living in every heart that loves India. Yes, Ma, and this is my biggest dream, to see India free. Bless me, Ma.
Bhagat Singh, time up.
Yes, tell your government that they may hang our body, but they cannot hang our revolution. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, dragged by the British.
They walked to the gallows with smiles on their faces. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru lived and died with courage.
So that we could breathe in our free India.
Now comes a lovely performance from our little friends in class 1D. They will dance to beautiful Kannada patriotic songs. Through their smiles and moves, they will show us their love for Karnataka and India. Let's clap loudly for our class 1D dancer.
ದಿಕ್ಕು ದಿಕ್ಕಲಿ ಭಾವಬಂಧನ ಹರಿವ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದ ವಾಚನ ಸುತ್ತ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಚಿಂತನ ಮಣ್ಣ ಕಣಕಣದಿ ಕರುಣೆ ಕಂಪನ
ರಣ 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 ಕಲಿಯೋ ಯುದ್ಧ ಭೂಮಿಯೇನೆ ಇವ ಕಡೆಯೋ ಧಗ 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 ಉರಿಯೋ ಸೂರ್ಯನ್ನೇ ಸುಡ ಉಸಿರೋ ರಣ ಕಲಿಯೋ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶವೇನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನೆಯೋ ಧಡ 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 ನಡೆಯೋ ನಿನ್ನ ತ್ಯಾಗಕ್ಕೆಂದು ನಾವು ಋಣಿಯೋ
ಆ ಸಿಡಿಲು ಮಳೆಯೇ ಬಂದರು ಸಾಗರವೇ ಉಕ್ಕಿ ಹರಿದರು ಎದುರಾಳಿ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ನಿಲ್ತರು ನೀ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ದೇಶನ ಕಾಯುವೆ ಜನಗಣ ಮನ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಓಹೋ ಬಲಿದಾನ ಕುರು ನೀನು ರೆಡಿಯೋ ಬೆನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ಓಹೋ ಎಂದು ನಿಂಗೆ ಜಹೋ ಶಿಸ್ತು ನಡಿಗೆ ದೇಶ ಕಾಯುವೆ ನೀ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ನಡುಕ ಆ ವೈರಿ ಬಡೆಗೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲ ರಣರೋಚಕ.
Enjoy a musical day on keyboard by Class 6A2. They are going to play the tune Shah Aate Hai, a song that touches every Indian's heart. It is about soldiers missing their family, but still standing strong for the country. Now let the music remind us to be thankful for our brave jawans.
Now, let's welcome our tiny dancers from Class 1E. They're going to be performing a graceful dance to the beautiful song Vande Mataram in Tamil. This song is full of love for our motherland. It means I bow to the mother. Even though the language is different, the feeling is same. Love, pride and respect for India. Now let's watch how our little ones use their hands, steps and smile and show how they feel in their hearts. Let's encourage them with a big clap as they spread patriotism to this wonderful Tamil song. Here comes Class 1E with their lovely performance to Vande Mataram. Jai Hind!
பிறந்ததும் மலர்களை கொடுத்தாய் அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் கடல்களை கொடுத்தாய் அந்த வனம் நட்டு வைக்க நதி கொடுத்தாய் உந்தன் மார்போடு அழைத்தாய் என்னை ஆளாக்கி வளர்த்தாய் சுக வாழ்வொன்று கொடுத்தாய் பச்சை வயல்களை பரிசளித்தாய் பொங்கும் இன்பம் எங்கும் தந்தாய் கண்களும் நன்றியால் பொங்கலே
Coming up next is a wonderful performance by Grade 6 IGCSE. They will enact stories of how freedom fighters gave everything for this nation. Through this play, you will meet Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, and Mahatma Gandhi, and sacrifices to feel proud to be an Indian. Please enjoy this special tribute by Grade 6 IGCSE.
Today, we celebrate the 79th Independence Day of India. As we stand here, free and proud, let us remember the sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters who fought for this. Let us go back in time and witness of their struggle. Here we see great Mahatma Gandhi. And here is Bhagat Singh. They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They may crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirit. Our love for our freedom was stronger than our fear for our death. And Rani Lakshmi Bai, the fierce warrior queen. I fought not just for my country, but for the honor and freedom of my people.
And here stands Subhash Chandra Bose. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the visionary who dreamt of a modern India.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. We dreamed of a nation where knowledge is free and every citizen lives with dignity.
And thanks Thanks to their sacrifices, today we are independent. We are a free country. Are we really free?
Are we really free?
Hey, can I join?
Which caste are you?
What did I do wrong? They say I'm of a lower caste.
We can't even breathe freely. What have we done to our country? We have polluted in the name of development.
Are we really free?
We demand respect.
We demand respect.
Women deserve equal opportunities.
As said by Sarojini Naidu, we must awake, arise, educate. Smash traditions, liberate.
Awake, arise, educate. Awake, arise, educate. Awake, arise, educate. Freedom? What's that? I thought freedom was just 15 chocolates.
3, 2, 1, start.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Swachan News. Today is Independence Day, and let's see if this generation people still love our country. Hey, ma'am, do you still love our country?
I love my country, but...
Oh yeah, Independence Day. It's fun. We just sing songs and get sweet. We were ignorant. We did not know about this struggle before, but we will learn.
Not out of guilt, but gratitude.
We understand our country was not free, and we will not forget. We are the future of this nation. The freedom we enjoy today comes with the responsibility to uphold the values of our forefathers fought for.
We must work hard in our studies, be responsible citizens, and contribute to growth of our country.
Let's not forget our rich culture and heritage. It's our duty to preserve it and pass it on to future generations.
And most importantly, let's always stand up for justice and equality. Our freedom fighters dreamed of an India where everyone is treated equally.
We are the backbearers of the legacy of freedom. We pledge to make our nation proud and uphold the values of unity, peace, and progress.
We, the children of India, promise to respect,
To read,
to life,
to serve,
to act,
to lead, to question,
to protect, to serve,
to care, to dream.
to love.
India! Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayam Shrivalam, Shaswachamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sodhajosna, Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita, Sumadura Shobhini, Suhasini, Suma शुक्राम्बरधरं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं. Now the stage is set for a high energy drum act by class 7B. They are performing to Rang De Basanti, which means color me with the color of sacrifice. This song is full of courage and energy, just like Ayod. Their performance will remind us to be brave and proud Indians. Let us cheer for the drummers of class 7B. Now let's enjoy a beautiful Kannada song called Nanna Desha Nanna Usiru. It means my country, my breath. Students from class 6B and 7B will perform this with pride and love. This song reminds us that our country lives in our heart and breath. Now let's listen attentively and support our friends with an applause.
ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಥ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಥ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೂಮಿ ಜನ್ಮ ತಾರರು ಪುಣ್ಯವೋ ಧನ್ಯವೋ ಭಾರತ 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 ಎನ್ನಲು ಜೀವನ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಭಾರತ 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 ಎನ್ನಲು ಜೀವನ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ.
What a wonderful morning it has been, full of joy and patriotism. We thank the founder, Brinda ma'am, Principal Ranita ma'am, and all the teachers and staff for their guidance and support. Thanks to all the performers who practiced so hard and made us proud. We also thank the parents and guests for their encouragement. A big thank you to the backstage team and volunteers. Let's give them a huge round of applause as they spread their love for India in their own special way. Let us promise to be good citizens and make India proud every single day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
So this is from one of my favorite poets. It connects with my speech. Let me just read it to you. एक शरीर में कितने दो हैं, गिनकर देखो जितने दो हैं। देखने वाली आंखें दो हैं, उनके ऊपर भवें भी दो हैं। सूंघते हैं खुशबू को जिससे, नाक एक है, नथुने दो हैं। भाषाएं हैं सैकड़ों लेकिन बोलने वाले होंठ तो कितने हैं, दो हैं। लाखों आवाजें सुनते हैं, सुनने वाले कान तो दो हैं। कितने सारे दो हैं, फिर भी एक दिल है, एक ही जमीन है, एक ही हिंदुस्तान है। रंग है अलग पर तिरंगा सबका है, भाषाएं अनेक पर गीत एकता का है। So let us inspire the future not just with innovation and ambition, but with compassion, with collaboration and collective strength. Together we will take India further and further. Jai Hind. Okay, children. Jai